Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, we are from ZIL Polytechnic Narhe Pune. Our micro project on airline reservation system. Our program name is Computer Engineering, program code is CO and course name is Advanced Java Programming and course code is 22517. This micro project is under the guidance of Professor Ulka Bansode ma'am. Group members are I am Radha Pandarpurkar, Vaishali Paigan, Deepali Rai and Jnaneshwari Musale. Outline of our project: Introduction, Objective, Module, System Analysis, Program Code and output of that code, and last is reference. Abstract of our project: Airline reservation system contains the details about flight schedules and its fare tariffs, passenger reservations and ticket records. An airline's inventory contains all flights with their available seats. The inventory of an airline service is generally divided into three categories of classes, that is first, business or economy class, and each category is having seats up to 26 booking along with prices and booking conditions. Let's start with our project, Airline Reservation System. Introduction of our project. The airline reservation system was one of the earliest changes to improve efficiency ARS eventually involved into the computer reservation system. A computer reservation of a particular airline and interface with a global distribution system which supports travel agencies and other distribution agencies and other distribution channel in making reservations for most major airlines in a single system. Objective of our project: Airline reservation system contains the details about flight schedules and its fare tariffs, passenger reservations and ticket records. An airline's inventory contains all flights with their available seats. Airline reservation system is a computerized system used to store and retrieve information and conduct transactions related to air travel. Here are some types of modules used in airline reservation system. First is registration module, second is administrative module, and third is passenger module. In registration module, firstly we ask passenger to give details. After registration, the passenger can log in, own account and book flight. Once passenger register with particular system and then book any number of tickets. Second is administrative module. It is provided for the sake of administrators to manage the site and update the content at regular intervals. In the major operations included in these modules are below. Third is passenger module. It is meant for passengers where a user login into own account will view this panel. The major operations included in these modules were view all airline schedules, timings, fare details and seats availability. Here is the diagram of system analysis. In this diagram, booking department, reports, passenger information, database and so on points involved. Program of our airline reservation system. For the purpose of creating application, here we use Java code. In that, using AWT components such like label, button, checkbox group, etc., we can create form and then application. Here are some pictures about form or application. Last is reference. We refer internet source, guide, notebook and laptop. Conclusion of our project. In the existing system, there is no provision for senior citizens concessions and there is no facility for viewing single passenger record. The purpose of developing the specific software is to describe the analysis involved in reservation of air ticket. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence. excellence.